Let's get started. First, extract the zip file. Inside, you'll find the Revit add-in files, the install and uninstall batch files, a start here guide, the application folder. Please leave that one untouched. A sample folder with a sample Revit project, and a documentation folder with the user guide and license details. To install, just double-click install.bat. If you don't have a license key yet, skip that step. You can activate anytime later. Launching QTO Concrete Pro. When you start Revit, look for the BIX ribbon at the top. Open the Quantity Takeoff panel and click QTO Concrete Pro. This opens the BIX Concrete Quantity Pro dialog box. Select the folder where you'd like to save the Excel report, then choose one or all 6 structural element categories to include. To compute quantities correctly across different floor heights, which can vary due to split levels or multi-level voids, the app gives you 2 level lists. On the left, select a single base level. On the right, select one or more upper levels linked to it. For simpler projects where each level connects directly to the next, use the Automap Sequential Levels button to pair them automatically. We've deliberately built our sample project with split levels, open top columns, and multi-level voids to show how the app handles these cases seamlessly. You can review your level pairings below and adjust any of them by removing and reassigning as needed. Then click Compute Concrete Quantities to get floor-wise quantities for your selected elements. License activation. The first time you run it, you'll be asked for a license key. Once your purchase is confirmed, you will receive your key by email. Just paste it into activate.bat and you're ready to go. Understanding the output. The app generates an Excel report up to 10 sheets. The first is an overall summary, hyperlinked to each structural element's own sheet. Beams and slabs each get an additional summary sheet, and foundations come with a separate PCC sheet. PCC quantity is calculated purely from the foundation's model geometry, using 2 shared parameters, one for a PCC thickness and one for how far the PCC projects beyond the foundation. That's QTOConcretePro, fast automated concrete quantity takeoff straight from your Revit model with a complete Excel breakdown ready for estimation.